So here we are in the garden in the afternoon. I have my friend James here, who's from Hawaiian Acres and British Columbia. We have Canadians here in Hawaii too. How about that? You know. Anyway, I had a German by yesterday. All kinds of people here. What we have right here is a stalk of Williams bananas, and it's pretty funny too because one of them right here, the lizards ate a hole in the darn thing, and this morning a gecko come running out of there and was staring at me. So, no big deal here, folks, but I just thought you'd like to see me harvest a stalk of bananas. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is get my hand around it so it don't hit the ground too hard. I'm going to take my machete right here and go whomp, like that. Real simple, right? These babies are heavy. I don't know, I'd say 40, 50 pounds at least. Must be. It's heavy, I tell you that. That's why I have the cart. There we go. Yep, this variety is Williams. Williams is a form of Cavendish banana. Beautiful, more mulch. Now I can put my fence back up in place. It came down in the hurricane. I didn't have it braced. That one got trashed, so I'll have to fix this up. But right here is ube. That's the tropical yam, favorite of the Filipinos. The purple is a purple sweet potato thing that's used in a lot of the baked goods and so on. So that's ube. That was what the fence was for. And now ube can have its fence back. Well, James, you see anything else around here I ought to swing a machete at?
Nope.
This is my favorite knife. I love these things. All right. Well, aloha. That's how we harvest bananas in Hawaii. Hang loose, folks.